Hey everybody, welcome to your online class for this week. So basically I want you to do three things. I organized this week into 3 tasks that you're going to be doing on your own. So this is substituting for our 1031 class. And this is all around organizing literacy instruction. So basically the 3 tasks, the first one, and you can see the folder here, the first folder says creating a classroom environment to supporting literacy, how to organize assessment data, and then structuring your day. So what I'm going to ask you to do is go through each folder, and in each folder you're going to have a different task, or a number of different tasks. So you can complete this at any point between now and the next time we meet. At the very beginning of each one, well, actually, let me do it right now. So the very first folder is called Creating a Classroom Environment to Support Literacy. And in this folder, you're going to learn how to set up the classroom environment. You need to have 2 things read for this to do these tasks, and one is the Korgel Chapter 3, and one is the Reitzel and Clark article, Organizing Literacy Classrooms. So when you're ready to start, you're going to click on that folder, and then you're going to see the tasks. The first thing you're going to want to do is read the Korgel chapter in the Reitzel article. The second thing you're going to want to do is download the classroom environment table, and it is the second thing that, third thing there. The second thing is that Reitzel and Clark article. It's called Survival Guide. And you're going to want to download the classroom environment table. Then you're going to want to watch the 2 videos, and you can see them below here. Here's a snapshot of a kindergarten room and a snapshot of a 2nd grade room. While you're watching those videos, you want to take some notes on that classroom environment table. So let me click on this and show you what it looks like so that you can see this. It's going to take a second. So while it's loading, it's going to actually load onto your desktop as a Word document, and then you're just going to have to open it up as a Word document. So you may want to have this open in another screen so you can type right in it. You may want to print it out, and then while you're watching the videos, make some notes. So basically, this is basically a note-taking guide that I want you to have. Here it is opened. It's opening. And basically I want you to look at how is the physical space arranged in the kindergarten video, the 2nd grade video, and the classroom where you're observing. And go through each one of these questions. Now clearly you're going to need probably more space, so just kind of type right in here. And after you've done that, you've watched both videos, you've reflected on the classroom space you're in as well. So there's the kindergarten room video, here's the 2nd grade room, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to be submitting it to Classroom Environmental Survey. So you're going to click on that last link, and you're going to want to either attach it. It's probably easiest to go to Browse My Computer and then attach it right there. So that's the first thing you need to do. You need to, you need to read Korgel 3. Let me get out of this. Read Korgel 3, read Reitzel and Clark article, download that classroom environment table, watch the 2 videos and reflect on your own practice, complete the table, and submit it to me. The next folder is about assessment, and you're going to need to read that Reitzel and Clark article, which you've already read for the previous task, and there's also a podcast I'd like you to listen to. And once you've done that, so click on the folder. There's the assessment podcast, so just click on this. It's going to take you right there.
I'm Peter Afflerbach,
and you're going to need to listen to it.
In the department.
And then you're going to need to take the quiz. There are 6 questions on the quiz. 3 of them come from the reading, and 3 of them come from the podcast. I'm canceling it because I do not need to take the quiz. I wrote the quiz. And the last task is called Structuring Your Day, the last folder. And you want to think about how to organize literacy instruction for your day. You're also going to really need that Reitzel and Clark article for that. So click on that folder, and it basically says one thing you need to do as a new teacher is think about how you're going to block or how you're going to schedule that time. And in the Reutzel and Clark article, they talk about that. So then you want to respond to this prompt. You're starting your first job. You're teaching K1, 2, 3, your choice. The schedule you are given has the first 90 minutes of each day blocked off as uninterrupted literacy time. How would you structure that time? So what would you do during that time? And once you figure that out, you can either type it in a document, you can use a chart, you can use a table, you could go to an online tool and try something. And when you have yours, go to where it says literacy schedule. It'll take you to a discussion board. You're going to create your own thread and put your schedule there. And take a look at each other's schedules as well. So those are the 3 tasks that you need to do for organizing literacy instruction, the 3 folders. And I hope that this is easy and self-explanatory. And if not, let me know and I'll help you. All right, thanks.